I run a marketing agency where we generate more than 30 to 40,000 US dollars every single month. But guess what? From the last couple of 3-4 months, we have been just doing 10, 15, $20,000, which is extremely low. At the same time, our churn ratio, or in simple terms, our refund ratio was extremely high. Every time we were getting a client, we were failing to deliver them the services we were promising. And guess what? There's no other option than refunding them, right? In this video, I'll be disclosing how I generated close to around 25 lakhs last month, which is roughly around 31,000 US dollars. In the past couple of 3-4 months, we have refunded more than 40 to 50,000 US dollars to our clients. And in this video, I'll be telling you guys how we ended up generating 25 lakh this month, close to around 31,000 US dollars, from a place where we felt like our agency is in a vicious downward spiral, like it's just going completely down to the ground. We onboarded so many clients, like I really mean it, so many clients. We did good in terms of revenue, but at the same time we were refunding 90% of. When you generate revenue for your business, you feel like your business is doing good, but at the same time, if your expenses, if your refund rate is extremely high, then where's the profit margin, right? So we weren't profitable. This month, literally, we have generated like 31,000 US dollars, which is roughly around 25 lakhs, and I would say we are profitable this month. Here's just a little sneak peek about our offer. So what we were doing is we were sending them preset appointments, telling a client, hey John, this is an appointment booked and set for you at this address, just go show up and go for the close, right? We were sending them preset appointments, you can say hard appointments, where the homeowners were confirming, yes, I'm ready for the appointment. Not all of them, but I would say most of them were actually ghosting our clients, were actually not showing up for these appointments, and they were not qualified in general, right? Because of that, we were feeling like we were promising so much, we were over promising so much to our clients on our sales calls. But now when we started to deliver to our clients, guess what? It's completely completely opposite of what I spoke to the clients on the sales calls, right? So I was feeling like I was over promising and under delivering, and because of that, my clients' expectations were obviously they were shattered at some point. And like we kept asking for some time, okay, just give us some more time, we would be able to deliver and whatnot. We got the time, but still, unfortunately, we couldn't able to deliver to our clients. And guess what? We were refunding to a lot of clients. So our offer, we were selling our offer for $4,500 for 10 hard appointments, and there were like few clients who were doing good. There was a client, just for information guys, there was a client to whom we sent these 10 appointments to. He closed almost 8 sales out of it. He generated like crazy amount of revenue with us. But at the same point, there were like some clients who weren't good in closing as they think they are, and because of that, like they were blaming us. So I would say there's no one to be blamed. This is how business works. There's sometimes good months, sometimes bad months, but those last 3-4 months were like extremely vicious, a downward spiral. Personally, for us, for our agency, where we felt like we're stuck. We came to a point where we have to refund our clients from our own pockets, and we felt like our business is going down. But guess what guys, we always have some things always figured out, right? So obviously, just after our team discussion, like we should really take some actionable steps here. We switched our offer, right? We literally tweaked our offer a little bit, where we completely decreased the obligation that was on us in our previous offer, and on this offer the obligation is more on the client side, right? More on our customers, right? So how does that work is, in this offer we are charging them a retainer, ad spend and whatnot, and we are again guaranteeing them some kind of appointments, certain number of appointments, but this time it's up to them how they actually call the appointment, how they confirm, how they build rapport with the homeowner, and how they ended up closing the client. And now, to be very honest, with the God grace and everything, we haven't refunded any client in the past 2 months, right? But this last month of Feb, we generated 31,000 US dollars, which is roughly around 25 lakhs, and we were extremely profitable. Our expenses were low, we didn't refund it to any client, and finally I can say like we are profitable. In a previous offer, the main complaints of our clients were, these appointments are not as of high quality as you guys promised. For the time, what we thought is like, let's offer something which is not that much valuable to the prospects, to the clients, but we can actually deliver on what we are promising over these sales calls. And now what we started doing is we are still sending them appointments, but these are not hard appointments, these are soft appointments. Previously what we were doing is we were confirming those appointments with the homeowner, like, hey John, will you be going to show up for this appointment or not? If we used to get the confirmation, then we used to tell our clients like, hey, you can just go show up because the homeowner is ready and he will be waiting for you. Boom, that's it. Now what we are doing is we are booking soft appointments. Obviously we are talking to the homeowners, we are qualifying them and whatnot, but now it's up to the client to make that call and confirm the appointment with the homeowner, right? So we are qualifying the homeowner, we are sending them like a qualified appointment, and it's exclusive, so it's up to the prospect, it's up to a client how he handles that customer, the homeowner, how he builds rapport, how he communicates, and how he actually use his sales skills to book the appointment, to confirm the appointment, and later on close the sale. I can tell you this, to actually implement this offer, we literally had to change every single thing, like new SOPs. I had to personally train my set of cold calling team, my sales reps, my sales team, I've literally, it was like a complete, revamp of our offers and a revamp of our agency. Literally, we used to change our website, like a lot of different things on our website we did changed, right? But guess what? It turned out to be good in the end. And let's see how this month goes of March. We're still aiming to, hit more than $30,000 this month. I'm going to keep you posted for sure. And just for a fact, it's already 4th March today. We have already closed 2 clients worth $7,000. That's a decent start. But I would say once you're in a momentum, once you are in that flow of energy, you will keep closing clients. And this is not science. If some things are not working out, you either try to fix it or you either try to just leave it and do something new. That's how I think about offers in my agency. And to be very honest guys, only offer something which you can actually deliver. If you're over promising the clients, John, we can do this, you can close 5 clients, you can close 5 sales, but guess what, by the end of the next 30 days, if you don't close anything, guess what, he will have buyer's remorse and he might just slander your name out there, which is going to hurt your reputation for sure. So always offer what you can possibly deliver. And once you set up the right infrastructure, once you set up the right systems for agency, then go out there and start offering something difficult. If you really want to know more about how was our condition, the situation of our agency, what we were actually going through in the last couple of 3-4 months, just check this video out. You will be finding everything in detail. But anyways guys, do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. I'm expecting to hear from you guys, and keep taking action guys. You've got this, and let's get the day. Bye.